Right then, welcome to Happy Hungry Hippie. What I'm going to show you this week is a quick hack in dehydrated fruit. Now, my most popular video has been something which I covered on dehydrated fruits using my air fryer, as it has a dehydration function. Something really good to do all throughout the seasons, not just with fruit, but with veg, herbs, and it's just a great thing to do and just store away and not really throw food away. So if you do want to check that video out, please do look at that. But what I'm just going to show you is just a simple dehydrated fig recipe. Well, it's not really a recipe, but it's just showing you really how to basically dehydrate it in the Ninja. I bought some figs, fresh figs, which are quite expensive from Waitrose. I bought these half price, £1.85 for 5 figs. So simply what you just want to do is you just want to be able to slice these up really like this, and make sure you do it even thickness and quite thick, because what it will do is it'll remove the water very slowly and then just make them dried. Now, I've actually dehydrated quite a lot of different things. I've actually done some of these before, really good for decorative purposes, and you can just see here how crispy these get. Really good for cocktails, also really good for my water kefir. So what I tend to do is, I have my water kefir here bubbling away, and you can see here, and you can hear it gassing. Simply what I do is I just add a couple of these dried figs here into the water kefir, and it feeds off the natural sugars in there while it's infusing a second fermentation, which is absolutely brilliant. Do check out my water kefir recipe and how to do that here. So let's slice up the figs and then get them into the Ninja. I'm just going to show you how to do this really easy. And voila, here you have them. So they've been in the Ninja Dehydrator function for just 5 hours. It's 60 degrees. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but you can clearly hear them here. They've all just basically set and are really crispy, all dehydrated. And simply all you need to do now is just put them in a jar, like so. I've actually done things like raspberries. The black lime is fantastic. It actually turns black, really decorative, really good. And I've even done things like plum skins. So when I've almost just boiled my plums and been left with the skin, I've actually just dehydrated the skin and ground this into a powder, and it's an absolutely amazing flavour bomb. Do check out my way of doing that there. I've got my plums this year and I'm really looking forward to covering some recipes with that as well. Really interested in hearing about what you're dehydrating in your dehydrator units. Also interesting to know what kind of dehydrator unit you've got, whether you actually have an engine and use that function, or whether you've got like dehydrated racks. And I'm looking forward to researching and investing in such a thing. Might be something I might have to do in the garage or in the utility room. So really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do subscribe, lots of love and passion going into this. Also, do check out my playlist for other dehydrated fruits, vegetables, herbs, things like that. I've done a few recipes with this now, so I'll put that in a playlist there. So, hope you enjoy, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.